We're the FaNaTiX. We're gonna make a drill beat today. Drill is usually 141 to about, even up to 144, 145. I've got a vocal sample that I think would sound sick. See, now that vocal sounds sick as it is. Certain times I like flipping and reversing things. There's a plugin from Initial Audio called Initial Reverse. What do you think of that?
That sounds hard. So I'm just gonna look for a snare real quick.
Let me just tell you as well, while we're making beats, because it's on 2 separate laptops, we have to sync up to the same BPM, obviously, so that we're both in time with each other. And we manually catch it like how a DJ would mix in. So I'll start, and then he's got to catch it exactly on bar 1. And then we try not to stop it for the rest of the beat. You can hear it slightly out, but it's
enough to...
It's enough. Why not? Hope you enjoyed us making the beat. Big up Point Blank. Follow us on Insta, Facebook, everything. Spotify. It's FaNaTiX Online. That's FaNaTixOnline.